the world will never go forward on its own. Every leap in human society, there is a helping force, beginning with the end in mind. We create more for the trust and provide industrial control and energy efficiency solutions. We are INVT. It is a great dream to achieve intelligent and efficient industrial automation and energy efficiency management. Because of this dream, INVT moves forward and follows the pace of the times, opening up a customer-oriented and market-oriented brand rise. Around the industrial automation, relying on the development of power electronics, automatic control, information technology, and other core technologies, and the complete product chain, INVT become a trusted provider of industrial and energy efficiency solutions. By the support of INVT's industry solutions, smart port operations are deeply interconnected and fully automated. Precisely planning comes into a reality. Energy exploitation is more stable and reliable, and petrochemical projects become more energy efficient. INVT is bringing the efficiency, precision, intelligence, and safety into every industry and exerting a great influence. At the same time, we are accelerating the integration of motor drive control technology and battery management technology to explore the road for civilian use of industrial products, drive the development of new energy vehicles, and endeavor to build efficient and convenient charging projects to promote green and energy-saving travel. With power electronic control technology as the core, we make development strategy in clean energy supply, and follow the trend of big data to actively export overall solutions and provide more reliable, uninterruptible power supply services. Beyond that, we also promote the innovation and development of urban rail equipment and become the only traction system supplier outside of CRRC that truly possesses independent intellectual property rights, R&D capabilities, and industrialization abilities, together with our customers, to ensure the safe operation of rail transit. Behind all of this, there is a continuum of efforts and commitment. We drive the intelligent change with innovative thinking, set up professional R&D center, and gather excellent research personnel to realize independent innovation, excellent design concept, comprehensive product development test. We keep leading and do all just to make our technology really help our customers maximize the value. And we hope, upon our scientific and automated production, strict quality control, sound service system, excellent logistics and distribution systems, making the worldwide enjoy the latest products and services of INVT. Keeping up with the times, INVT will continue to uphold the business philosophy of sincere, credit-standing, professional, and ambitious. Establish an industrial automation and energy power, and aim to become an international group company with advanced technology, excellent products, and efficient management. Share the future of wisdom. Trust makes more value. INVT.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all friends who are now watching this live stream. And thank you so much for joining our today's topic, Smart Manufacturing and No Carbon Future. I'm the host Helen, and this is my colleague Rain from INVT Technical Department. Welcome, Rain.
Hello guys, I'm Ryan.
As we know that under the pressure of the climate change, the species now disappearing faster than ever. To curb this trend, the carbon emission must be cut and deforestation should be encouraged. We need to plant more trees to avoid this kind of trend. But the plant is a long time. So what should we do now? All the countries and the industries are now working very hard to do the sustainable development. We do more to protect our air, the water, the plants, to maintain the biodiversity. INVT as an industry automation field of the solution provider, what do we do to make the contribution of this sustainability, and what do we do to make the world more greener?
So today we are going to talk about GD350A, which is our featured product and the start products in last year, and how it works in the industrial development. We know to reach the carbon peak and the carbon neutrality, there are two things we can do. First is we save energy we use, and second is we need to use clean and green energy.
Yes.
And we know that motors consume more than 50% power of the factory facilities.
Yes.
And our frequency variable drive is used to control motors to save energy.
Yeah. So INVT as a factory who has already built for 20 years, and we have many serious products of this variable frequency drive. But why this product GD350A now is the star product, and what's the features of this product make it to want this kind of reputation? So Ryan, can you give us some rough idea?
Well, GD350A takes advantage of dedicated process for motor control, and it enhances scalability and usability with SVC, VC, STO, LCD keypad, and so on. The unity of GP models can adapt to most operational requirements.
Right. So just now you mentioned that GP in one model.
Yes.
So can you explain this in details?
Okay. So GP model actually means one VFD. It can support dual ratings with heavy load and light load. I will take an example. For 1.5 GD350A, after set to P mode, the capacity becomes 2.2 kilowatt. So it is widely used in applications like fan, like pump.
Okay. So I think this is the features of this product. I know this product is more cute and is smaller, and I think it is the compact size. So as a drive, can you give me some other that is the basic function of this product, which it can be used in the industrial applications?
Okay, I'll tell more details. For GD350A single unit, its power rating is from 1.5 kilowatt to 500 kilowatt. And in some application, customer may need bigger power, like 1,000 kilowatt or 2,000 kilowatt.
Yes.
In this condition, we can offer parallel solution. Parallel solution means customer can use several VFD together as one VFD. And for GD350A, it can support maximum 6 PCs together. So the power is up to 3,000 kilowatts. you can say it's a wide power segment, and it's fully covered all kind of industry requirement. And from 1.5 kilowatt to 110 kilowatts, it has built-in DBU. And from 17.5 kilowatt to 110 kilowatts, it has built-in DC reactor,
Okay.
which helps to improve the input power factor.
Okay.
And for the whole series, it has built-in EMC filter for C3 standard.
So C3 standard,
Yes.
it is a very unique characters.
C3 standard actually is normally required in European country.
Okay, European standards.
Yes. And with the advanced control algorithm, GD350A can support flexible motor selection, including 6 kinds of motors.
Oh, that means this drive can drive for 6 kinds of motors, different kinds of motors.
6 different kinds of motors. First one is permanent magnet synchronous motor.
Okay.
Next is general synchronous motor.
Okay.
A synchronous servo motor. Frequency conversion motor. Direct drive motor and motorized spindle.
Yeah.
And you can see we develop LCD keypad
Yeah.
instead of traditional LED keypad, and it can support multiple foreign languages.
Multiple foreign languages.
Yes.
So how many languages it can support?
Now totally it can support 8 kinds of foreign languages,
Oh, 8.
such as Italian, German, Spanish, Russian, and for some small kind of languages, we can make customers version for the customer.
Oh, that means customized.
Customized version for our customers.
Okay.
And next, I'm going to remove the front.
So you can use only this.
Yes, it's very easy. You just need to one screwdriver.
Okay. Okay.
So you can see GD350A has comprehensive I/O configuration.
Yeah.
For here, S terminal for digital input,
Okay.
and the Y terminal for digital output, and R for relay output,
Yeah.
and also there is STO terminal.
So we can remove this cover?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Please. How many screws should be
Only one.
put? Only one?
Yes, only one. Yes.
Okay.
So you can see this part. This part is the core part of the inverter.
Yeah.
This is control board. And you can see here this there's connectors like this.
So there are so many connectors.
Yes.
1, 2.
1, 2, only 2.
Yeah, yeah,
For small power, there are 2 kind of connectors like this, and these connectors are used to connect with extension card.
Oh, this is for extension card.
Yes.
Okay.
So for the extension card, for GD350A, first kind is PG card.
PG card. Okay.
PG card, it depends on the different type of the encoders. We have different kind of PG cards. And second is about communication card. We know that GD350A can support multiple mainstream field bus, such as EtherCAT, Profinet, Modbus TCP, and so on.
That means the main protocol
Yes.
all over the world.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And also, it can connect with Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth card to for the remote control and monitor.
Okay. So I think this is the basic function of the drive product.
Yes.
So for most of our company products has this kind of functions, right? But as a industrial product, I think there there has one factors should be very important. That is the stability.
Yes.
The performance of the stability. So, as this kind of product, how we can guarantee this stability? So, what we do to make this sure to our customer?
Yes, regarding to the high stability, the design of GD350A is more line with the requirements of local field environment. And its internal circuit boards are equipped with 3C3 coating, which is suitable for various harsh environment. And we have carried out many standard strict tests on our laboratory and on customer side to ensure the reliable and smooth operation of GD350A.
Okay. Oh, I remember that for all these laboratories, we have take some video to introduce this kind of laboratory, and all this information has already uploaded onto the YouTube. So if you want to check more information about this laboratory, you can follow us by INVT Electric, and you can check all this information on the YouTube. Thank you. Please.
Okay, let me continue. So also we utilize advanced algorithm for to optimize motor control and to make an efficiency of GD350A to 96% to save more energy consumption.
Oh, that means this product itself, the efficiency should come to 96%.
Yes.
Okay, so that means this one is all itself, it is the energy saving product.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the product, so it should be on some application.
Yeah.
So on this product, which kind of different applications it can be used on? I think it should be some of our friends or our audience are be more interested.
GD350A is designed for high performance application. So it is widely used in the industry which needs strict needs of tension control, of high speed control, and high accuracy control. Therefore, fun application like suspension air blower and magnetic levitation blower and synchronous fun, and also slider rewinder, jigger and sizing machine in textile industry, as well as stainless steel belt cable in metal processing industry, and other industry like printing, packaging, and machine tool are also involved. We already have many success applications in Italy, in Vietnam, in Brazil, and in other countries.
Okay.
So far, total commission number are over 10,000 units all over the world.
Oh, I know that. So since the launch of this product, the application and the site are all over the world.
Yes.
No matter it is in the winter or it is in the summer, so the temperature high or low, so all this harsh environment cannot affect the performance of this product.
Yes.
And I think as an industrial product, no matter how many tests we have done before we launch to the market, and how many the performance, how many the site we try, I mean the pilot we try, it can be some damage or we cannot find before we launch to the market. So I think the custom, they should pay more attention on once if this damage or this fault happened, what they can do. That is the warranty of this product.
Yes. Regarding to the after-sales service, we provide 24 months warranty for GD350A for the global customers.
Okay.
And for some customer who need fast repair, we can prepare 1 to 2% spare parts for near stock for some urgent cases.
Only this 24 months warranty time, and it is a long time. But except this, what we have the others?
Yes, with worldwide INVT service networking, we offer the service from site commissioning, check and repair, to solution provide
Okay.
according to customer requirement. And we can provide the service for the full life cycle and guarantee the continuous production of the customer and for their investment on facility. Because INVT always insists to bring a long-term value for our customer.
Okay, thank you. So I think this is just now Ryan has already introduced the features and the basic function of the product, the application and the warranty. So now if you have any questions or if you have any interest in our product, you can leave your message on the chat box, or you want to find more information, and you can come to visit our website www.invt.com. And Rain, do you know that? So because this is the pandemic since 2020, many customers, they cannot come to visit our factory or our office building. So we do one thing, that we are launching a VR exhibition hall on our website, and we introduce all the things into this VR exhibition hall. So you can see the owners, the certificates, our factories, and our videos, all kinds of videos on this VR exhibition hall. So welcome to visit our online exhibition hall. So since we have launched this product for more than about 3 or 5 years, I think. So during this time, I think we should have met many questions from our customer or from the market, right? So Rain has already checked and to choose some typical questions, and now we will choose this, and we will let Ryan to give us some answers. Okay, so let me choose the first one. So they say, does GD350A only support 400 volt degree?
Okay, for the standard drive, you can see in the manual, maybe it only support 400 voltage degree.
Yeah.
But some customer needs the voltage of 220 volt. At this moment, we can make some non-standard version. We can make a customized version for the customer. So actually, we can do it.
Okay, so that means the customized, it is not only for the language of the LCD.
Yes.
So it is all for the voltage.
Yes.
So if you have any modification requirement, you can come to us as well.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The second one is, just now you mentioned our feature is the secondary development function.
Yes.
So many people ask, what's the secondary development function?
Yes, so for the secondary development function, actually it's the function of the PLC card. As I told just now, GD350A has high extensibility, and it can support multiple extension cards. And one of the extension card is called PLC card, and it's programmed by the software AutoStation, which is also made by INVT. And within the automation within the AutoStation, customer can make logic, can make the function they want, and that's why we call it a secondary development function.
Okay, thank you. So the next one is, just now you mentioned that we will have some building parts, and now you have some. It is called dynamic braking unit. So this question is, what's the function or what's the usage of this dynamic braking unit?
Okay, dynamic unit, braking unit is usually used with external braking resistors.
Okay.
And in some application, there are large energy feedback from the motor side. And at this moment, the bus voltage of the VFD will increase, and when it reach to some value, the inverter will report over voltage fault.
Okay.
And with the help of the DBU and the external braking resistor, the feedback energy will be consumed. So it will keep the bus voltage stable value.
Okay.
So the VFD can work in a normal station.
Normal station, huh? Okay, so I think this DBU, this function, it will be the same as our other series.
Yes. For the DBU, it can use for general purpose inverter,
Okay.
not only in GD350A, but also GD20, GD200A.
So this is the general function.
Yes.
For all INVT products.
Yes.
Okay. So the next one is, this is maybe they have some fault. What's the reason that fuse and the soft start resistance damaged for GD350A?
Okay, the damage of the fuse and soft start mainly caused by the surge current during the starting of the inverter. We know if the fuse is damaged, then the 24 auxiliary power board will not output 24 volts. At this moment, the contactor will not close, and then the drive will start with the resistors directly. Okay. So there will be big current through the resistance. So in this way, it will be very easy to burn the resistance.
Yeah.
But sometimes customer only see the burned, like the shell is burned.
Okay.
But the inside maybe is good. At this moment, customer need to use some tools like meter to measure the resistance value. If the value is 20 ohm, it means actually the internal resistance is okay. It's still good, but just the shell is burned.
That means you can not only to check this by your eyes,
yes.
you also need to check this by the meters.
Yes, by some tool.
Yeah, by some tool. Only the value is correct,
yes.
and then it can verify that these components should be good or bad.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's come to the next one is how to control GD350A through Wi-Fi. We have a Wi-Fi function.
Yes, Wi-Fi is for the Wi-Fi function, it needs to use another card called Wi-Fi card. First, the customer need to install the Wi-Fi card to GD50A.
Yes.
And you can load. There is a QR code here.
Oh, this one.
Yes. Customer need to scan the QR code to download the INVT Workshop app. And
so this QR code is on each single unit?
Yes.
Okay.
So after they download the INVT Workshop and they open the mobile app Wi-Fi to connect with the GD50A hotspots. And also you can go to our website to view the videos for more practice.
So that will be very convenient. It is just scan this QR code and then follow by the instructions.
Yes.
That will be okay, huh? Okay, let's come to the next one. This is regarding about the output reactor. They ask, after we add in the output reactor, how many meters of the cable can be reached?
Okay, so usually if the cable is longer than 50 meters, we will suggest the customer to add the output reactor. And there are different specifications for our output reactor. If the distance is between 50 meter to 150 meter, we will suggest customer to use 1% voltage drop output reactor. And if the distance is longer, from 150 to 500 meter, we will suggest customer to use 5% voltage drop output reactor. But in some application, the length is very long, longer than 500.
Yes.
At this moment, output reactor is not available anymore. So customer need to use sine wave filter.
Oh, that means another part.
Yes, another spare part.
Okay. Okay, let's come to the next one is, this is for some industrial application. What should we pay more attention in the control of permanent magnetic synchronized motor by VFD in textile industry?
Well, in textile industry, there are 2 points we need to note.
Yeah.
First one is to pay attention to the anti-resolver for the motor during the starting. It means customer need to pay attention to the rotation of the motor. It needs to keep the motor run in one direction. And the second is customer need to pay attention to the demagnetization for the motor, because the ambient temperature is very high in the textile industry.
Okay, thank you. Right, and everyone, if you have some other more questions, you can leave this question in our chat box, or you can send these questions to our email, or you can visit our website and leave your message, and or you can follow us by search INVT Electric on LinkedIn or YouTube. Okay. Thank you. So I think just now we have already introduced all the information about this product of GD350A, and this is a very small components in this industrial automation field, but the usage of this product can be huge, and this can now in the industrial automation field, this drive servo, so this is components can make more energy saving and increase the efficiency of the production. Okay, now we have already completed the introduction of this product, and then let me give a very brief introduction of our company. I think many of this audience who are watching this live stream may be our new friends. If you come to this part, and then you must have some interest with our company. Now let me give a very brief introduction of our company. INVT Electric has established in 2002, and this year 2022 is our 20th anniversary. Our business scope including the industrial automation, the solar and the UPS, and the electrical drive, electrical vehicle, and we have 6 manufacturer bases, and we have already more than 4,000 employees, and because of all this business scope, we have 15 subsidiaries all over China, and because of all this, we have already established the full sales and service network over China, and domestic and the overseas, and totally we have more than 500 partners all over the world, including in our service partner, who they can provide instant service to our end users when their drive or their products have some faulty or some claim. And last year in 2021, our sales revenue has already reached in $500 million US. And in the future, we hope more partners will join us and to make a win-win future. Okay, that is the very brief introduction of our company. And Rain, because now the world has changed a lot. So for the pandemic, for the conflicts of the territories, And for this industrial automation field, I think it should be some change in the future. So what is your opinion on this?
Okay, so now is the era of intelligence, and the industry manufacturing has a significant tendency to be intelligent. As an important unit of the manufacturing industry, inverter itself needs also to be intelligent. And in this era, inverter needs to have more efficient driving, more flexible regulation, and more accurate online monitoring. And at the same time, customized and integrated service are more suitable for the current customers. With the development of modern industry, the needs of users are more diversified and personalized. The application series become more and more complicated. So customized service can better meet the preference of different users. And the integrated solution are more suitable for systematic industry scenarios, which is in line with the long-term interest of customer. And in addition, energy saving and environmental protection are the common trend of the entire manufacturing industry in the future. And energy saving, low carbon, and noise reduction are all important evolution direction of the inverter in the future. GD350A has complete function, which can meet with diverse needs and used in many kinds of application. And it has the characteristic of high precision and low energy consumption, keeping pace with the development of the times. And INVT will continue to work on developing product functions and technological level. And we will embrace a smarter, low carbon future together with our partners and customers.
Okay, thank you, Ryan. And today we have our introduction come to the end. And in the future, if you have any questions, and then welcome to visit our website and www.invt.com, or you can follow us on YouTube or LinkedIn by search INVT Electric. Through all this medium, we will give you our latest information about our product, our applications, and our ideas to protect the earth and make our world more beautiful. And thank you so much for all our friends to be together with us. And in the future, we will bring more videos or more live stream to introduce our product and our applications. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.